Hey everyone, the Instant Camera Guy here. Apologies if the audio quality isn't amazing, but I figured I would do a bit of an update video. It might not look like much at the moment, but this little room where I'm standing will officially be the Instant Camera Guy headquarters going forwards. I've alluded to it in the past in a few of my videos that where I've been at the moment is not where I want to be. Having moved from Melbourne to Perth, Western Australia, ended up being a very difficult move because I basically came across the entire country, 3,000 kilometers, right smack bang into a housing crisis. The affordability of houses here, the building of new properties, the rental market, everything here in West Australia, much like other parts of the world at the moment, is just a complete schmozzle. It is just totally crazy. Everything is stupidly unaffordable, and it's taken me 9 months to land a place. But I'm happy to announce that as of September 2024, I officially have the keys to a new property which comes with its own workshop, and it's a place that my wife and I can make a home and where I can continue my business. So I guess I just wanted to update everyone. I won't go into much more detail than that, other than over the next month or two there is going to be a lot of work to do. I basically have to insulate this workshop a little better. Obviously fit it out with all the tools and bits and pieces that I need. I'm going to be incredibly busy, so if I take a little longer to respond, or if I release a few less YouTube videos, then that would be why. And I guess all I really ask at the moment is for your continued support. As I said, I've been repairing stuff now as of 2024 pretty much as my full-time career. I couldn't do this channel, and I couldn't have bought this house without the generous, support of every single person that's followed me. Whether it's been you've given me a donation via my Ko-fi account or sent me something to repair, I simply couldn't have done it without you guys. And so I wanted to say thank you in advance for anyone that has supported me and will continue to support me. I just wanted to say that I'm not going anywhere. I mean, this garage is going to be the new HQ, and it is going to be much bigger and better than the shitty little spare bedroom that I've been working out of as of the last, really since January. I think that just about does it. There is a lot coming in terms of this channel. There is a lot more that I want to do. There is huge bits and pieces coming that I'm working on at the moment in the field of the SX70R project, in the field of I-type battery conversions, in the field of different reviews that I want to do, and in terms of content that I want to produce on this channel. I mean, I kind of wondered at the start of the year if I would ever run out of content. I mean, realistically, how much can you talk about Polaroid cameras? You guys have no idea. The videos that I've wanted to do and the content that I've wanted to tackle, I mean, what you've seen so far is nothing compared to what I want to be able to do. I just haven't had the means to do it because I've been stuck trying to grow a business from a spare bedroom, thanks to the failings of the Australian government and the housing crisis. So anyway, thanks again. I will keep you guys up to date every single step of the way. But again, thank you again. This is going to be a time where I need the most support. So if anyone needs a camera refurbished, Christmas is coming up. I always get pretty busy around that time of year anyway. It is going to be even more bonkers this year. A, because I'm full-time, but B, because I've somehow got to fit in time to renovate a house on the side. Thank you once again. If I didn't make that clear already, and I really look forward to what the future brings. And yeah, I'll be here to share it with you guys as I continue to grow. Thanks again.